Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fold your Jaguar XF rear seats. This simple process allows you to expand your vehicle's cargo capacity significantly, perfect for larger items or extra luggage. Whether you need to fold one seat or both, the steps are easy to follow and can be completed in just a few minutes. Let's get started and make the most of your XF's versatile interior. First, you'll need to locate the release mechanism for your rear seats. Many Jaguar XF models feature a convenient release lever positioned on the top shoulder of each seat back. If you don't see these, open your trunk. There, you might find dedicated pull handles or switches. For some earlier models, a yellow pull switch could be tucked away behind a removable panel on the right side of the trunk. Once you've found the release, it's time to engage the latches. If your XF has shoulder levers or trunk handles, simply pull them firmly to release the corresponding seat back. For models with a hidden yellow pull switch, give it a good tug. If you have an older model without a visible switch, you may need to carefully use a flat-bladed tool to push the spring-loaded latch mechanism located within the trunk's upper trim. With the latches released, gently push the seat back forward until it lies flat. Make sure any seat belts are clear and not caught in the folding mechanism. To return the seats to their upright position, simply lift each seat back firmly until you hear and feel it click securely into place. Always double-check that the seats are fully locked before driving to ensure safety for all passengers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.